There's this dog on my neighbor's balcony who's been there for a few days. It's supposed to be really cold tonight. I hope they bring her inside.
By the way, did your neighbors bring their dog in?
Gee, I don't know. I walked by today and she was still out there and she was pawing at her water bowl that was completely frozen over.
That's so sad.
I know. It's supposed to be below freezing tonight. That dog can't stay out there.
Are you gonna do anything about it?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared to talk to my neighbor.
I mean, it could make a huge difference for the dog.
I know. I feel like it's not my place.
Are you gonna do anything about it?
I should, shouldn't I?
I mean, it could make a huge difference for the dog.
Okay, I'm gonna go talk to my neighbor. I didn't see the dog out on the balcony today when I walked by. I hope she's okay. I didn't see the dog out on the balcony when I walked by today. Yesterday, I went over and I talked to my neighbor, sharing my concerns for his dog, considering the weather, and he agreed to bring her inside. You were right, it made all the difference for her. I also asked if I could take her for a walk sometime, and he agreed, so I'm actually going to go back over there in a little bit.